students, so here we are gonna learn the numerical based on gamma function. So we'll see how to apply the properties of gamma function to evaluate the given question. So here we have the value of I of n as root pi by 2 gamma n plus 1 upon 2 whole upon gamma n by 2 plus 1, and we have to show that I of n plus 2 is equal to n plus 1 upon n plus 2 into I of n. Now guys, you must be thinking that if the gamma function is given, then we must use the definition of gamma function. So it's absolutely wrong, because if you use the definition of gamma function, then the solution will become complex. So here, to get the solution, to show the result, I am gonna use the properties of gamma function. So by using the properties, you will get answer in minimum number of steps. Now see here, we want to prove this value. Now out of that, I of n is given here, whereas I of n plus 2 we have to prove. And for that, what I'll do is I will start with I of n plus 2 itself. Now the question is how to get I of n plus 2 from I of n. So it's very simple. Just replace n with n plus 2 in I of n. So it will give us I of n plus 2. I'm gonna do the same thing. So here I'll say put n equals to n plus 2 in I of n. So this will give us I of n plus 2 equal to root pi by 2 gamma n plus 2 plus 1 upon 2. So here I have replaced n with n plus 2. Now similarly in the denominator, here we will get gamma n plus 2 upon 2 plus 1. So here we got the value of I of n plus 2, but that value must be equal to n plus 1 upon n plus 2 into I of n. So let's find it out. Now to get this answer, we want n plus 1 in the numerator and n plus 2 in the denominator. So guys, how to achieve that? So for that we will do some adjustments. So in the numerator, since I want n plus 1 in the result, I will rewrite this term as root pi by 2 gamma. Now I'll take n plus 1 together. So n plus 1 upon 2, and remaining 2 by 2 will give us plus 1 upon gamma. This is n plus 2 by 2 plus 1 as it is, because here we already have n plus 2 term. Now the thing is, which property should we apply to get the answer? So here I'll show you the property. So property is like this, that is gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. Now guys, you can observe the similar pattern here in the numerator as well as in denominator. So this n plus 1 upon 2, I can consider it as my n, and we have plus 1. So that will become n gamma n, that is n plus 1 by 2 gamma n plus 1 by 2, and similar thing will apply in the denominator. So here we will get I of n plus 2 equal to root pi by 2 n plus 1 upon 2 gamma n plus 1 upon 2. Similarly in the denominator we will get n plus 2 upon 2 gamma n plus 2 upon 2. So at both the places I have applied the same property. Now we can cancel this 2 from numerator as well as from denominator. Now I got n plus 1 and n plus 2, so I'll take it outside. N plus 1 upon n plus 2, and the remaining term is root pi by 2. Here gamma n plus 1 upon 2, and in the denominator inside the gamma we can divide each term by 2. So here we will get n by 2 plus 2 by 2 is 1. Now guys, it's the last step because the value that we got in the bracket is exactly similar to I of n. So see here, this value is matching with the value of I of n. So hence I can say that this is nothing but I of n, and this will become n plus 1 by n plus 2 into I of n. And here we have proved the result. So guys, here I have applied the property of gamma function to get the value. So I'm sure that you like this video, and if you want to learn more concepts of engineering mathematics, then do not forget to log into ekida.com today itself, and you can learn more concepts, more numericals, and you can also get the updates about the subject on Facebook as well as Twitter. So do not forget to follow us on Facebook and on Twitter. So here I stop. Thank you very much.